Ah, yes, yes, my warrior friend. Welcome, welcome to the warrior realm. Do you know, yes, the word realm? Welcome, warrior. Now we must impart our knowledge of the Wasabi Kingdom to the next young warrior and warrioress, young warrior and young warrioress. Ah, yes, I think of young warrior Massimo, young warrior Lucio, young warrioress Alicia. Yeah, young warrior. No, not a young warrior. Warrior, I salute you, warrior. Avec, with the wasabi. Do not, as a note, in regular plain English, remember, please do not confuse wasabi for pistachio ice cream. Nor should you brush your teeth with wasabi.